Hello guys, welcome to the Orbit of the Coding. I am Alok Mukhya and today I am going to present what is GitHub. So in this session I will cover the all about GitHub, and also I will explain what is the feature of the GitHub and how to use and which scenario we can use GitHub, what is the basic requirement of the GitHub. So I will go to the next slide. So, GitHub, it is a file or code sharing service to collaborate with different people. So, GitHub is a highly used software that is typically used for version control. It is helpful when more than just one person is working on a project. For example, a software developer team wants to build a website and everyone has to update their code simultaneously while working on the project. In this case, GitHub helps them to build a centralized repository where everyone can upload, edit, and manage the code files. So in this picture, you can see there is a GitHub repository, centralized repository, and all the small version control like git 1, git 2, git 3 are there, and we can access three different desktop you can see on the screen. So I will explain more about last pictures. So if you look at the image on the above, GitHub is a central repository and Git is a tool which allow you to create a local repository. Now people usually get confused between Git and GitHub, but it's actually very different. Git is a version control tool that will allow you to perform all kind of operation to fetch data from the central server or push data to it, whereas GitHub is a core hosting platform for version control collaboration. GitHub is a company that allow you to host a central repository in a remote server. So if you consolidate all the point, so GitHub is a central repository, and Git is a version control that we have different version, and multiple developers are simultaneously working on that particular files. They can edit, upload, and merge and manage any type of file that they create a different version over it. So next I am going to show what are GitHub features. So nowadays GitHub is very popular. So we can say that it's easy project management, increase safety with packages, effective team management, improve code writing, increase code safety, easy cost, easy cost hosting, track history. Like multiple developers are working, they can commit that particular codes, they can merge that particular. So there is very easy and handy to track all the history, which developers are working on the which files, which developer have changes on a particular number of line of codes. So they are easy to track history. Branching is very easier. Distributed developments, more than one developers work on the different systems. Free and open sources. So GitHub is totally free and it's open source. Anyone can go to the Google, search GitHub, type the GitHub URL, and sign up based on the email ID, and anyone can use the GitHub uh, properties and facilities. So thank you friends. So that's it on this video. On the next video I will explain, or I will give the live example how to create a repository, how to create different branches. So that's it on this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you all.